Hello and welcome to the installation video of our new product Sanitary Pad Vending Machine. In this video, we are going to show you the unboxing, mounting and testing of our 25 pad Sanitary Pad Vending Machine. So without wasting any further time, let us unbox it and see what do we get inside.
Inside the box we get the keys and the attachment and the machine itself. Inside the machine we get 25 loaded pads, 50 pads for refill and a coin collector box to collect the coins.
After the unboxing, let us see the mounting process of the machine. In order to mount it, we have to mark two holes at a height of 5 feet from the ground. Let us see the process. Let us see the mounting process of the machine. After the mounting, let us see the feature of the machine. As you can see, this is a small machine. It can vend 25 sanitary pads. These are the supported coins for the machine. Now we have connected the machine to power supply. Let us turn the machine on. This red button will turn the machine on and off. This green button is to reset the quantity and set the price for the vending pad. Right now, the set price is 1 rupee. Let us change the price to 5 rupees. For that, I have to hold the green button for more than seconds until I hear a continuous beep. Now we have entered into the set price menu. Here, with every click, the price will change. I can change the price from 1 rupee to 10 rupee. Right now I have set it to 5. After that, I'll turn the machine off. It will take the set price as the one to vend. The machine has restarted. The set price is 5 rupees. After setting the price, let us see the vending option of the machine. For that, I have a 5 rupee coin with me. I'll put the coin in the coin selector. As you can see, for one 5 rupee coin, the machine has vended one pad. You can see the stock has decreased by 1. Let us see the coin collection of the machine. The coins will be collected in the collection box. As you can see, the machine has only one pad to vend. Let's see what will happen when the machine runs out of pad and how to refill it. As you can see, the machine is making a buzzing noise and it's displaying out of stock. In this case, the first thing that we need to do is turn the machine off. Now we will refill the pad and then we will reset the stock. Let us see the stock refill process. Now the last pad is filled. We have all the 25 pads filled in the machine. Now let us turn on the machine and reset the stock. Now to reset the stock, I have to hold the green switch for 3 seconds until I hear a buzzing noise. Now my machine stock is back to 25. So the machine is refilled and ready for the next vending part. So that was the complete video showing the unboxing, installation, working and refilling of the 25 pad sanitary pad vending machine. Thanks for watching. You can watch the video by scanning this QR code on the machine itself.